Welcome back to our channel. Our topic for today is Indian capital market features and growth. Introduction. Capital market is a market for long-term funds, both equity and debt, raised within and outside the country. It is also an important constituent of the financial system. Development of an effective capital market is necessary for promoting more investments as well as achieving economic growth. The demand for long-term funds comes from agriculture, trade and industry. Individual savers, corporate savings, banks, insurance companies, specialized financial institutions are the suppliers of long-term funds. The capital market in India comprises of the gilt-edged or the government securities market, industrial securities market, development financial institutions and financial intermediaries. Features of capital market. Deals in long-term funds. There is an increasing demand for investment funds by industrial organizations and the government. Capital market helps to mobilize long-term savings from various sections of the population through the sale of securities. Provides equity capital. Capital market provides equity capital or share capital to entrepreneurs, which could be used to purchase assets as well as fund business operations. Quick valuation. Capital market helps to determine a fair and quick value of both equity, shares, and debt, bonds, debentures, instruments. Variety of financial instruments. The capital market deals in equity shares, preference shares, bonds, debentures and government securities. Regulated market. The capital market is regulated by SEBI to protect investors and ensure fair trading practices. High risk and high return. Investments in the capital market involve higher risk but also provide opportunities for higher returns. Integration. Capital market leads to integration among real and financial sectors, equity and debt instruments, government and private sector, domestic and external funds etc. Growth of Indian capital market. Securities and Exchange Board of India, SEBI, was established in 1988 but given statutory powers in 1992 to protect the interest of the investors and promote the development of the securities market. National Stock Exchange, NSE, the leading stock exchange in India, was established in 1992. Computerized Screen-Based Trading System, SBTS, was introduced as a part of modernization. Demat account has been introduced since 1996 to facilitate easy purchase and sale of shares by the investors through the electronic method. Increased access to global funds by Indian companies was permitted through American Depository Receipts, ADRS, and Global Depository Receipts, GDRS. Thank you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more legal insights. See you in the next one.